Remember, the first column is for the x, the coefficients of the x variable, 1, 4, and -2, right? Then our y column was going to be replaced with 10, 4, and -2. Then now we have our z column for our z coefficients, which is -2, 1, and 1. So as always, our first two columns will be put outside the matrix. So we have 1, 4, -2, and we have 10, 4, and -2. All right, so we can begin with our diagonals. All right, 1 times 4. Okay, let me just make the diagonal so we see clearly. Right, the first one. 1 times 4, that is 4. 4 times 1, that is 4. Right, 1 times 4, that is 4. 4 times 1, that is 4. Right, go to our next diagonal. 10 times 1, that is 10. Right, and then 10 times -2, that's -20. Okay, then go to this next diagonal. -2 times 4, that's -8. -8 times 2, that's +16. So find the total values for our numbers below. Right. So 4 plus -20, right? Remember, integers negative erodes the positive sign. So we have 4 minus 20, that is -16. -16 plus 16, we get 0. All right, we get 0. Okay, now we can go to our other diagonals. All right, -2 times 4, that's -8. -8 times -2, that's +16. Right. -2 times 1, that's -2. -2 times 1, again, that's -2. You get negative. Right. And then our final diagonal here. 1 times 4, that is 4. 4 times 10, that is 40. All right, so we add up our values on top. 16 plus -2 plus 40. All right, so positive and negative erodes the positive. So we have 16 minus 2, that is 14. 14 plus 40, that is 54. That is 54. Right, so now we can find dy. So dy equals, so we always start with the value at the bottom, which is 0. 0 minus 54. All right, and that gives us -54. right? So we get negative 54 as our dy.